Hi, welcome to this short video. We're going to be talking about how you actually go about connecting Icon Practice to Zapier. Now, Zapier, as you can see here, is a tool which will allow you to connect Icon Practice to a wide variety of different apps, including email management software and all sorts of things like that, other products such as Go High Level and so on, which allows you to create all sorts of integrations and customized workflows and so forth for your practice and for your patient. So let's scoot into Icon Practice and take a look at how you actually get Zapier set up. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to go into the super admin section of Icon Practice. Now you need to obviously have access to the super admin section. So if you don't, then you'll need to speak to your practice owner or somebody who does have super admin access to give your user access to that. It's what we're going to do is we're going to once we're in the super admin area, we're going to go to the API keys. Now, API keys are a very powerful tool. They allow you to get access to your Icon Practice data from other software products, but you need to be very careful with them because of that access. You know, there are obviously privacy concerns and so forth, so you need to make sure that only people who need to have access to these API keys do, and you need to be careful about the websites that you use them on. So, you know, Zapier is one that is fine, but don't go just sticking it into any sort of software product willy-nilly. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new key, and we're going to basically, give it a key name. So let's call it Zapier, just for the purposes of our description here. You don't have to put a description in, but if you wanted to give more detail, so you had different keys for different sort of things within Zapier, you could certainly do that, in which case you may want to put a key description in. Now, the keys are always unique to a particular user. So basically, when you go to Zapier, you'll need to put your username into Zapier to allow you to use the API key. So you can basically allocate these API keys to different users, and then you just have to make sure that when you go to Zapier, you put the relevant username in. So once we've done that, I'm just going to select me as the user, and I'm going to click create. So what I can now do is I'm going to then copy this API key. Now, basically, you need to be very careful with the security of these, but basically you're going to copy this key. I then close that there. And what I can now do is I can then take that key and I can put it into Zapier to create a new connection. Now, if you need to come back at a later stage and view that, you can click on view and you can see that it will come up again like so. Now, we go into Zapier, and once you're in your account, you're going to go to App Connections, and you're going to click Add a Connection. Basically, you're going to see this dialog box come up, and you're going to type in Icon Practice. Now, I'm going to probably get quite a few different Icon Practice variations here because I have a developer account, so I have lots of access to different things, but you're going to pick, Icon Practice there, and then you're going to click Add Connection. And what you can see here, it's going to open this dialog box up. You're going to paste your API key in there. I'm going to put in my username, and then I'm going to click yes, continue to Icon Practice. And it's going to do its thing, and it's going to say then new connection to Icon Practice has been created. And once you've done that, you're now able to use this within Zapier to create various zaps and automations and so forth. So we'll wind this video up here. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to be producing more of these videos, sort of talking about how you can use different automation tools and so forth to grow your practice and how they might link in with your Icon Practice software. So be sure to subscribe. Do us a favor and give us a like as well. It's always useful, helps the algorithm. And so forth. So thanks for your attention, and I hope to see you again soon.